Before exporting your scene, you may need to make some visual adjustments through the Settings panel. The 3D View tab provides access to visual settings, background modification, edge detection, patch borders, anti-aliasing, and rendering mode. For more information on these options, please refer to the documentation. In order to use your model in other software or 3D environments, you have the option to export your context. First, you can adjust your view in the preview window. You can also modify certain options such as the cut plane, for example. The export formats are available in the list. It is possible to perform a simple single-file export, or to export each geometric component as separate files with a master file that references the model within a compressed folder. The list of ongoing or completed exports can be found in the Export Monitor. Once the export is compiled, you can download it locally and will find the folder containing the master file, the geometric components, in the case of a separate files export, and the associated metadata in CSV format. To export an image, a vector drawing, or a multiview of your context, you can use the 2D export module. As with 3D, you can adjust your view in the preview window. For a simple image, you can choose the export format, resolution, background, and view quality. You can also choose to export an interactive image. This interactive image will display information when hovering over geometries. Please note that for this mode to work, you must export your file in HTML format. For a vector export, you can define the edge fineness. For multiview, you can choose the desired orientations for the export. The module will export one image per desired orientation.